Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool idea for a keychain, but it's not just a keychain. This is really kind of a neat idea. This is actually a keychain that you can use to hook on your car keys or whatnot onto here. It does have a nice little piece here that has a little tooth on there that kind of can clip in. So that way you can clip on and hold car keys, whatever you want to have, house keys on there like that. But this itself is actually a 20-watt GaN charger that is going to be used for charging up phones, iPads, whatnot with that. And it has a USB-C port on the bottom. But the neat part is that on the other side of this, the actual braided cable on here, which is a nice, strong braided cable that is on this with a metal piece here. You can pinch the sides. It actually releases out. This is actually a little USB-C charger. So now you can plug that into the back of here. Plug this in over here to any standard 110 outlet, and you now can use that little charger if you're in an airport, traveling, on a train, bus, whatever, and you can now charge your devices like your phone. It doesn't only come with that one, but it also comes with a USB-C to a lightning adapter as well, so you do have that option if that's the style of phone that you have, so you've got a couple of versatile options there. So really neat idea. I'm liking the fact that all this stuff can kind of collapse down. Very small. It's about half the size of what a typical 20-watt little charging brick would be because it's very thin, streamlined design on that. So really neat idea if you're looking for a good stocking stuffer for a kid or you're just looking for something to keep for yourself. This would be a great little addition to keep with you, tuck in a purse, and take with you wherever you want to go.